Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Kan. I'm a medical doctor, board-certified family physician, and medical acupuncturist. Now, those of you who have seen some of my other training videos know that I'm a proponent of LifeWave technology, a way of using this new technology to activate or stimulate acupuncture points without the use of needles. Now, I've personally found a tremendous difference in my life, in my health, and the health of my patients who use this technology. But sometimes I'll come across healthcare providers who aren't open to the technology, and I want to tell you exactly what I think is going on. So one of the questions that you may be asking is, if LifeWave is so great, why isn't my chiropractor or massage therapist or my acupuncturist interested in it? In fact, I've presented the product and the technology to various numbers of medical professionals, and it's very interesting the different responses I get. You know, we can have a room full of people who we've taken out of pain using the LifeWave ice wave patches, and we're talking about taking pain away within seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Oftentimes, even in acupuncture, we can't even do that. So you would think that after seeing 10, 15 people being taken out of pain that quickly, that any healthcare provider would jump on the chance to share LifeWave with their patients or with their clients. But not everyone does. Many do, of course, like myself, but not everyone does. And why do you think that is? Well, I figured something out. Two things, actually. One, and it may not seem very nice for me to reveal this, but unfortunately this can be the truth of what's happening. But one issue is that there's fear involved. Imagine yourself as a new practicing chiropractor or acupuncturist. You've been learning your trade, honing your skills, and along comes a technology that can help people within seconds or minutes. What do you think that might do to your practice? What if normally it took 10 acupuncture treatments to heal the pain, but with ice wave patches in a week or less, they're completely better? So there can be a great fear component. Now, most would not like to admit that this is the case, but the facts are clear. If you see with your very own eyes the power of the acupuncture without needles technology that LifeWave provides, how could you not agree that it's one of the most powerful healing methods on the earth? Now, as an acupuncturist and as a medical doctor, I feel that it is unethical for me not to share the LifeWave technology. So what if they don't come in for acupuncture to see me if they can be helped with the LifeWave technology? And guess what? It's going to be more economical for them too. I mean, it's hundreds of dollars to see me. Now, why am I not threatened by LifeWave technology? You may ask, well, you're a medical doctor and acupuncturist and your patients are getting better faster with LifeWave, so why aren't you threatened that your business is going to decrease? Well, what happens is that I don't worry about that. It's more important for me to help as many people as possible. And like I said, it actually is more economical sometimes for people, actually most of the time, for people to use LifeWave technology instead of seeing me. However, instead of getting less patients, I actually get more. Why? Because they know that I can actually help them, and they feel very grateful that I'm willing to share technology with them that they can use at home to help themselves, to empower themselves. Now, other people come in for appointments not because they necessarily don't get better faster with LifeWave, but because they need the relationship. They need the relationship with someone, a healthcare practitioner, who will listen to them, who will understand their problems, who will empathize with them. And that's where I still have a huge role. LifeWave patches can't listen empathetically, but I can. Now, the other issue I notice with healthcare providers, and sometimes they're rejecting LifeWave technology, is that it's almost too good to be true. They can see the evidence with their own eyes and experience it in their own bodies. And I see this with non-healthcare providers as well. But what happens is that there's a disconnect in their belief system. They believe something for so long that they can't wrap their minds around something new that can work. So they go back to what they believe in that works. Like, even though they see it with their own eyes, they don't believe that it could possibly be true that somebody that can be taken out of pain, or somebody's eczema can go away within a few weeks without taking a whole bunch of pills or creams or supplements. I mean, because of the belief system that they have, they can't make that transition. And for them, they don't come aboard. And I personally feel it's a shame, because we can help a heck of a lot more people in a much shorter period of time. This is a very powerful technology. So keep that in mind in case you are a LifeWave distributor and want to share this gift with the world. Keep in mind that there will be some people who won't be open to the technology because they're just not ready to believe something new. 50, 60, 70 years ago, if you told somebody about the cell phone, they probably wouldn't have believed you that it could ever be invented, or that you can have a tiny sized iPod this big with thousands of songs on it. They wouldn't believe you. But as it becomes more popular, well, guess what? They'll jump on the bandwagon eventually. So this is a technology whose time has come, and there's no stopping it. You know, we are helping thousands and thousands and thousands of people. And so don't be worried if you're a distributor, you're trying to share the technology, and you're coming up against resistance, or even healthcare people, even natural healthcare people are not open to it. It's not your fault. It's not their fault. They're just not ready. It's no big deal. All right, so keep spreading the word, keep spreading the goodness, and have a great day. Bye for now.